Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in this video we are going to rank up 5 my most liked LiveChat softwares from best to the worst. Well, worst is not the word that I want to use, because all of them are the top of the ladder, at least for me. We will go through some pros and cons. I'll tell you more about these programs, and obviously we are going to compare prices. So let's start with, in my opinion, the best of them, which is LiveChat. LiveChat is one of the most widely used live chat software, catering its services to over 23,000 businesses across 150 countries. It has a number of chat tools that help you service agents to solve the queries of your customers within minutes. The Message Sneak Peek tool allows you your agent to view what the client is typing or trying to type, which helps him prepare his response, as well as get an idea about the customer. You can also prepare canned responses so that your agent does not have to type the same answer over and over again. LiveChat can also be integrated with a number of third-party apps like Facebook, Google Analytics, MailChimp, and a lot more. LiveChat is meant to be for all of the type of the businesses, small, medium, and even large enterprises. It's very easy to set up, and it can be run on your Windows, Mac, or on your mobile, Android and iOS as well. It doesn't basically require a bit of a training, and everyone should be able to basically jump straight into it. With the pricing plans starting at $16 a month, which is 60-day chat history, basic widgets customization, ticket system, data security, then team, business, and enterprise. If you have like a very hard workload that really needs special attention, and a lot of employees that need to help other people with their problems, but there's also a free trial option, so you can find out if the LiveChat is the one for you without paying a single penny, just providing them with your information. So let's jump into number two, which is LiveAgent. LiveAgent, a simple and secure platform with multi-features such as help desk, live chat, and call center. Customer service key features of the software help in prioritize is the communication from different channels. Emails converted to tickets, real-time chat messenger, phone calls received, routed or called back, and 24/7 support available. 39 translations available, gamification, rewards and badges, and can be used through mobile apps like Android and iOS. It also enables you to connect to social media channels such as Facebook and Twitter for monitoring of brands and quick response to clients or customers. A help desk software for small and medium businesses. That's why it made a cut in my number 2, because you are really feeling the atmosphere of smaller company for basically you can feel like you are getting all the attention for the money you are paying with. It's also located in Slovakia, or the API is located in Slovakia, and price-wise it's very nice. You are really getting what you should expect for that amount of money. You can go with ticket plus chat, all inclusive, or you can go with forever free account. But it's not much of a option in here. With ticket, you are paying $15 per agent a month. Ticket plus chat, it's $29 per agent a month, and all inclusive is $39. with video calls, IVR, and basically everything under one roof. And also you can try it out free for some time, for a limited amount of time. Number 3 is Ideta. Ideta's LiveChat enables you to strike up a real-time conversation with your customers while they are on a website. By using LiveChat, you can boost your customer satisfaction and engagement by providing fast answers to their queries. Moreover, 83% of shoppers explained they needed some form of support during their online journey. By providing you undeclined customer with a personalized help, you can increase your sales and conversion rates. It's also made for smaller companies, and in that case, you are really getting what you're paying for. But it's rank 3 because it's not that clear, and you can't really shift around Ideta that easily. So you'll need more time than with LiveAgent or LiveChat. LiveChat being the most simplest one to set up that I ever came across. Ideta is a little bit harder. It's very easy to use though, and you can really expect the top-notch performance. It's just a little bit too sketchy. For the pricing plans, they are even now in the middle. It's €0 per month. If you want to try it for free, you don't have to add a credit card or anything. Then 19 a month for starter pack, then 59, and for the professional use with all the features unlocked, it's almost 300 euros, which is quite a lot, but it's a complete package, so hopefully they'll perform. And also with the enterprise plan, that they are starting at 600 euros, which is quite a lot, but you are not paying by a seat or by a user, but it's a bulk option. The fourth is ChatBot. ChatBot automate key tasks right away by creating multi-purpose chatbots with diverse templates and visual builder. You can connect ChatBot with various tools and platforms using one-click integrations, the OpenAPI webhooks, and Zapier. Design a smooth conversation experience to build a better relationship with your customers. Send dynamic responses that encourage customers to chat and interact with them. Mix and match text, images, buttons, and quick replies to show off your brand, products, and services. Basically, ChatBot is like the modern kit of Ideta. It's really easy to use. You'll get everything under one roof. You don't have to go anywhere else. They are trying to make it fresh. They are trying to make it transparent and very easy to use. With pricing plans, we are looking at the most expensive one of them all. There's a starter, which is $42 a month, or $50 if you want to go month to month. Most popular, as they claim, is Team, where you are looking into growing. Then Business for already established big businesses, which has unlimited active chatbots, which is great. And then the Enterprise. So if you're a biggest player on the market, you can really appreciate tailored option for you by ChatBot. Also, you can go buy a free trial, which is also 14 days and very easy to use. Next one, and the last one in my list, is Pipedrive, which is a CRM software built in with intuitive interfaces, clean layouts, and simple user experience to help you manage your customer relations efficiently. and easy to customize software, Pipedrive serves you the way you want to, according to your needs. The software is built around sales pipeline monitoring methodology, which offers a quality visual interface prompting users to take appropriate action, stay organized, and monitor challenging sales processes. The email integration feature connects automatically to the contacts and displays everything that's happening with a particular prospect at one place. Pipedrive is different from all the others in this list. It's not that much of a chatbot, but CRM software, which is providing way more than ordinary CRM software. You can obviously try it for free, and you can utilize LiveChat through Pipedrive, which is a really great CRM for. No one does that like them, and that's why I think they stand out a lot from their competition. For pricing, they are not that even expensive, starting with $12.50 billed annually. Very safe, they claim 17%. Then advanced, professional, and then the enterprise for the top performers. It's really hard to basically really put Pipedrive in the basket with the others, but you can appreciate that having everything under one roof with CRM. So that's my list. I would really recommend you try for free every single one of them, and then find out yourself which one suits you the most and how your company responds to them. Every single one of them is great. If you have more questions or any questions, leave them underneath this video in the comment section. Leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. So have a great day.